Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Happy Gaming House. Today we got something special. I know in the last video of the unboxing, I said I would never buy a MacBook Neo.
Oh, you said
and,
that?
and I suggest people don't buy it.
My suggestion is don't buy the Neo.
Wait, why
There we go.
Why are we doing this video then? I didn't even know that he said that don't buy one and we're just gonna review one. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't even tell him.
Why did you say that he's not buying a...
So here's the thing, right? With couple hundred, you can upgrade to an M5 Mac. Well, I didn't say that in that video, but that's the reason why I said don't buy this. With this, you get like a 256 gig of memory, like the base model, for $799, I think, or $789 Canadian dollar, that is. And for this model, the 512 and the Touch ID, that's $999.
Yeah,
that's before tax. Just a few $100s more, you can get the base model.
I can tell you.
Of the M5 MacBook Air.
Yeah, 1300.
Oh, 1359
with the discount of student.
Oh, okay.
Normal price 1500.
1500. So 500 more.
You can get the.
So you can get like a way better computer.
Well, 500 more considering based on this model, right? Because it's $999.
Right. But
like the $799 will be like 200, like 700.
It depends on how you compare it, right? Because with the base model of the MacBook Air, that's got like 16 gig of memory already.
Oh, okay.
It's got the M5 chip, 256 memory, but it also got the Touch ID. I don't know if you can compare that to the base model of this one, which has no Touch ID and well, it has the same storage, but for memory, this one doesn't matter which version you get, it's going to be 8 gig.
Yep.
We were just talking about this with the cut down version of the A18 Pro. In the iPhone, you get 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU. But on this one, you only got like 6-core CPU, but only 5-core GPU.
Yep. But it's just like they're trying to get like all the students and all that, right? Like basically they don't need like very heavy duty.
I think that's what I read online as well. Like they're trying to get back to education market, like school market. They're trying to beat the Chromebook in their price.
The Chromebook, exactly.
You know, a lot
like
of
basically they're trying to compete against the Chromebook.
Yeah. Well, that's why I say like you shouldn't buy it by yourself. You can get better specs on an iPad now.
Before we started like recording this video, I was asking Gerling like, what would he think is the difference between getting a MacBook Neo and an iPad?
Yeah.
Is it more just to have like the computer and the Mac OS, but like also like the latest
iPad OS?
Exactly, right?
It looks like it's got the window, like the desktop.
Like they try to make it more like to be like a computer, right? Like to be your laptop.
If you don't do like a lot of the heavy editing or stuff,
iPad would do this. Will do right?
Pretty much the same.
Yeah.
It just doesn't make sense to me to buy one. Well, I bought it for the review purpose. I was like, for me, it doesn't make sense to buy one. That's why I said don't buy it in the last video, and
here we are.
Yeah, I just bought it. And also, like, we were going to do the video of unboxing and compare it to like other like newer and older Macs. So this video is only going to be initial view of the unboxing and the initial setup, and our perspective about the MacBook Neo. I definitely do not recommend buying this for like even everyday work. Whenever you buy tech, there's always like a golden rule. If the price is not like 50% or less, you should always get a newer one if you have the budget. This is last generation chip. If they put like a iPhone 17 like A19 Pro chip, I would say get it. If it's 700, it will make sense to get it. 900, no.
Yeah.
But why I say it's good for kids, because this is basically the cheapest modern MacBook that you can get.
Like being the first computer of a kid, right?
Yeah. If your whole family is using Mac, so this is like the cheapest option you can get, like to have the kids go into Mac OS.
Into the environment, right? Like,
yeah. Oh, one more thing I want to say is why this is good for kids is that it's very fun color.
I love the color. Yeah. I think it's the best color.
Like
from the ones
four colors they chose, I think it's very fun. So let's open this thing.
Open it.
We got these two strips. 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year.
Moment of truth.
Ooh. Oh, that's a nice color. Wow.
So in here you get, this time they only give you like one sheet of paper. The MacBook Air, it has like an envelope that is so thick, like twice as thick. But the other half is just like a piece of cardboard. iPhone cable.
Oh, okay.
iPhone charger.
How many watts of this one?
I think 20.
Yeah.
It's a good thing that they actually give you a charger. Chargers, they die as well. And you can never have enough of them, so...
Please give us more.
Yep. All right,
Whoa.
so let's open this thing. Oh.
Wow.
The color actually looks really nice.
It does. It actually looks way better in...
I think like in camera, it's a little bit washed out. When you see it in person, it's actually a lot
And
more
it's not
green.
that heavy, eh?
It's super light.
Yeah.
You know, I probably will not recommend this generation. But for example, if they do the second generation, like when the M6 chip out come out, maybe they will use like the
They will start using the older
M4 chip,
version.
more powerful but still like cheap. This could be something that, for me, I don't use my Mac for much, and I only carry around because of the battery, like the long battery life, and because it's way lighter than my Razer laptop.
Of course, like it's not heavy.
Yeah,
For
it's
and
very
everything,
compact, it's sturdy. Yeah, I just want to check this out to see if it's, you know, something that I could use in the future. I doubt it. we'll
Well, you
see.
never know.
We'll
You
see.
said you were not gonna buy one, and
Yeah.
here we are.
As you can see, only two USB-C
yeah,
ports. One is
and
for
the headphone
charging,
jack.
one is for... Oh yeah, the headphone jack. I love that. All right, let's open this up. If I can put it here.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. I mean, like these Apple computers always turns on by themselves now.
It's actually really nice.
Like I said, I actually went to the Apple store to buy this, so I actually saw all four colors. I still think this is the best one.
Wow.
And let me just quickly set this up. All right, so we just finished the initial setup. It is Tahoe, right? macOS 26 Tahoe.
Tahoe, yeah.
Yeah, Tahoe. You can see that. MacBook Neo, 26 point. Yeah.
The brightness of the screen, I don't know if it's me, but I don't feel it like that.
It's definitely dimmer. Definitely dimmer than the MacBook Air, and it's even dimmer than my 2019 MacBook Pro.
For me, yeah, that one is the first call out.
Mm-hmm.
The keyboard feels nice because I think mine is different, but we will do
Yeah,
all
we'll
this.
do the comparison in our next video.
I just wanted to check the camera. Not that bad, huh? I thought it was gonna be worse. Oh, you're gonna see the setup for the first time.
Yeah.
This is the setup.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that bad, huh?
Like I said, like Apple camera is always one of the good ones. By this, do you think it's better than the M1? The M3?
No. I don't see any difference.
It is a webcam. It's
For
like a
class,
video conference,
Video
class,
conference,
like
like-
remote, you know, meetings and stuff.
I like how it feels
The click?
trackpad. Yeah, I like the click. I think it feels different. It feels different. Like I like it.
This is actually cheaper.
Yeah, but I like this one.
I love these because these are very similar to the ones on the Windows computers.
I think it feels nice. It feels nice.
That's about it for like the
For
unboxing.
this first,
Also, I do want to mention that the outer case does look a little bit more rounded than the Air and the Pro, or maybe it's the color.
you know what it feels like? It feels like as well like it's gonna get scratched easily, no?
You were saying? I think old MacBooks are easily scratched with the
True.
the aluminum
True.
finish, especially these because with the color, and if you scratch
It will
to
be
show
very
the bare metal,
noticeable. Yeah.
it will be very noticeable. You can put like those like the clear film
Yeah.
protectors, but it's hard to put on though if you want like no bubbles. That's why sometimes I think like China is a lot more convenient because you can find those people everywhere.
Yeah.
They will put it like no matter how many film they waste, they will put like until it's perfect, right? So they will only charge you once, and it's pretty cheap. Yeah, it really just depends on you. If you think you're careful enough to not scratch this, which I highly doubt you will.
I highly doubt it. More if it's a kid, definitely.
Oh, a kid.
Definitely no.
I think if a kid using this, you just not minding it. Well, let me just open YouTube and we'll put a video on. So that's me with the M5. As you can see, 4K video plays just fine.
Yeah, it's not laggy or anything. Huh?
It's not laggy.
It's good.
Oh, I just felt the lag.
Oh, really?
Like when you exit from the full screen, it lag a little bit, a tiny bit. Yeah, so
For the next video, we will bring the M1, like
we have the M1 from Summer, M3 from him,
This one
And
here,
maybe
this
I
one?
will throw in M5, but that's just gonna kill everything.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see. I probably will bring in the
2019 just
Intel
to
Mac.
see. Let's see what
to
happens.
A lot of things will not just plain not working on it. Like by the paper specs, this is between M1 and M2, so it's supposed to be better than the M1. We'll see. We don't have M2, but let's see if it will beat M2.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Keep watching.
Keep watching and subscribe and like the video or dislike it if you don't like the video. Leave a comment below if you feel like, what do you think about this computer?
Would you get
it? Is it worth it? Will you get it? Will you recommend to someone else if you have it? Like what scenarios
what
use it?
you
would use it for?
Like for what would you have it, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I will definitely be updating after I use this for like a week or so. Yeah, so see you guys next time.
Until the next one. Keep watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.